This is Priyanka from Pinkrussh, and today I'm going to be reviewing the January Glamego Box 2018 hashtag no resolutions, but I do make resolutions. So let's begin. Wait. Before starting, let me tell you that Glamego sent me this box for free, and who doesn't like free stuff? Anyways, but this video is not sponsored. Glamego is not paying me any money to make this video. And before starting, I just wanted to let you guys know, because my reviews, each and every video on my channel, any review which I do is always going to be genuine and honest and brutal if it is not good. So relax, sit down, and let's get started. The first product that I have here is this Bloom skincare face oil. It retails for 1499 rupees for 15 ml of product and 2 years of shelf life. It comes in this amber colored glass bottle with a dropper. It has a screw cap. The oil is very light yellow in color. It spreads out very easily. At first it does feel like it is sitting on top and not getting absorbed, but give it some time, it gets fully absorbed. For application on face, take 3 to 4 drops on your palm, spread it on your fingers and then apply it on your face and neck. Massage a little bit and then you are done. There are 2 ways to use this facial oil. The first is you apply it on, leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off. The second is that you apply it and then leave it on overnight. If you would ask me, I would say it's better to just leave it on your face and not wash it off. It gives you a very moisturized feel and it also sits well under makeup. So why wash it off? Why wash all the goodness? It has a very strong smell, maybe of camphor or incense sticks. I can't exactly pinpoint the smell, but it is really strong, although it does not bother much after application on the face. As ingredients, it contains apricot kernel oil, carrot seed oil, rosehip oil, geranium oil, lemon oil, frankincense oil, myrrh, rosemary, vitamin E, and evening primrose. Also wait a bit. It does not contain parabens, mineral oil, or any petrochemical products. I see that it has rosehip oil in its ingredients, and rosehip oil is very sensitive to light and air, so I think that is why this comes in this amber colored bottle. And also it is advised on the packaging that you should keep it in a cool and dry place away from direct sunlight. The second product that I have here is this Bella Wash the Perfect Lip Gloss in the shade number 03 Pop of Pink. A point worth mentioning here is that you can choose your shade while ordering the box, and I would highly request you guys to choose this one because this is my favorite. I love it. It retails for 599 rupees for 3.2 ml of product and 2 years of shelf life. It comes in this classic glass tube packaging with light golden colored screw cap and a doe foot applicator for easy application. It glides on very easily. The pigmentation is not that opaque. It just has the right amount of pigmentation that a gloss should have, and I really like it. It applies smoothly on the lips too. It gives you a beautiful glossy finish. It is just the perfect shade of pink that you can wear every day. Plus it will suit all the skin types from fair to dark skin colored people, because you can even top it off over lipstick. As it claims, it does feel very hydrating on the lips, gives you a very nice shine. Not sure about the plumping claim though. And one more thing, that it gives you kind of a minty fresh sensation when you first apply it, but this sensation does not last very long. Also, it is free of nano ingredients, talc and mineral oil, and also it is dermatologically tested. This gloss lasts for good 4 to 5 hours, which is great for a lip gloss. Plus it even stays after having meals or a little bit of snacks in between. Like for example, I am sitting here with a bag of chips in front of me and my lip gloss is still there. So let me have one chip before I start talking again. The third product that I have is this Bloom Bath Care Handmade Soap. It retails for 125 rupees for 100 gram of product and 2 years of shelf life. I have received this product earlier in my May 2017 Glamego box, and I absolutely love this product. I used it to the very last single bit. because I mainly like it for the smell, the lavender smell that it has, but it is also a nice soap. It gives you kind of a buttery feel, so all in all a good product. As ingredients, it has glycerin, coconut oil, palm oil, safflower oil, lavender oil and sorbitol as moisturizer. Nothing harmful at all. I wish it was priced a bit lower, but since it is a handmade soap, I think the price is justified. The last product that I have here is this Natural Bath and Body Vital Nourishment Cream. It is for 220 rupees for 20 ml of product and 6 months of shelf life. It is a sample product. It comes in this tube packaging with details mentioned all over it and has a screw cap with a medium sized hole to dispense the product out. The cream is white in color and has a whipped creamy texture to it. While blending, it just melts into the skin like an oil. For application on face, take a small amount on your fingers, spread it on your palms and then gently apply it on your face and neck area. It does not take very long to get absorbed. It gives a very nice moisturized finish. I think it will suit all skin types, but it will mainly suit the dry to normal and combination skin people. As ingredients, it contains coconut oil, glycerin, almond oil, shea butter, grapefruit oil. Like such rich ingredients, still it does not feel that heavy on the skin. It also contains grapefruit and vitamin C, so you should store this also in a cool and dry place away from direct sunlight to increase its longevity. Also, I forgot to mention it has a very fresh citrus smell to it. So that was all that I got in my January Glamego box. And if you ask me for the final verdict, I would say you should definitely buy this box, especially for the facial oil. I had started using facial oil on my face since December, like last month only. I'm currently using rosehip oil on my face and I can't tell you the wonders that it does to your skin. My skin has never felt so amazing. It reduces your hyperpigmentation and there are a lot of benefits. I will make a separate review about the rosehip oil, but I would highly request you guys to start using a facial oil. If you have never used one, you would literally thank me in the long run, provided you start using a facial oil. Plus, I really love the lip gloss that the Glamego January box has given me because it is such a pretty wearable pink shade. And if you know me, you know I love pink. And to have a pink color lip gloss which you can wear every day is awesome. I would also like to thank Glamego for sending me this box for January month for review purposes. And at the same time, I do want to apologize for uploading this video so late. Like, January is almost over, but I could not upload this video earlier because of some unavoidable circumstances which I do not want to get into because I don't like to give excuses. Anyways, it was really nice collabing with you and I would look forward to collabing with you guys in the future also. And as for my subscribers, this box is pretty worth it, guys. I would say if you have saved a little bit of money, even a little bit of it is left, because since this is the end of the month, I would say you should invest in this box. I'm not saying this because this box was sent to me for free and I am promoting it. It is not like that. On my channel, you are always going to get honest and genuine reviews. It does not matter if something was sent to me for free or if a video or post is sponsored or anything of that sort, but my reviews will always be genuine because for me, honesty is the best policy. Cliche but true. Before ending this video, I would also like you guys to know that the 1 month plan is for 399 rupees, 3 month subscription is for 329 rupees and 6 months is for 299 rupees. I will also put the links to buy in the description below so you can just check it out and you should buy it. So that is all for now, guys. I hope you like this video, even though it was very late, but I still hope you like this video and give me a thumbs up, please. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.